Hello, future engineers. There is another video in fluid mechanics and hydraulics, and it is about properties of fluids, solve problems on properties of fluids. So here are the problems. A 250 liter drum weighs 40 newtons. Air at 200 kilopascals absolute or 2 bars absolute and 50 degrees Celsius is inflated in the drum. Compute the weight of air inside the drum in newtons. So take note that 1 bar is equal to 100 kilopascals. So another way of expressing 200 kilopascals as a unit is 2 bars absolute. So to determine the weight of air inside the drum, we have to determine its specific weight, which is equal to pressure times G over RT from perfect gas law, and the volume of air is equal to the volume of the drum, which is 250 liters or 0.25 cubic meters. So weight equals specific weight of air times volume, which is 0.25. So the specific weight of air is equal to pressure times G divided by RT, where pressure should be absolute pressure, and we'll express this in pascals absolute the pressure, so that the resulting unit of specific weight of air would be newtons per cubic meter. The gas constant of air is, you should know, 287 newton meter per kilogram kelvins, and the temperature should be absolute temperature in degrees Celsius plus 273. So specific weight of air is specific weight of air, pressure 200,000 pascals absolute times acceleration due to gravity 9.81, volume of air 0.25 cubic meter divided by gas constant of air 287 times quantity 50 degrees Celsius plus 273. So the weight of air can now be computed 5.291 newtons. So let's proceed to the second problem. Determine the density of hydrogen gas at 300 kilopascals absolute and 70 degree Celsius. So hydrogen gas, this is the first element in the periodic table. So there are two atoms because hydrogen gas is H2. So the molecular mass is 1 times 2, so 2 moles. So 1 gram per mole, the molecular mass. So there are 2 moles because there are 2 atoms. So density is pressure over RT. So we substitute right away. Density pressure is 300,000 pascals absolute divided by 8314. The universal gas constant is 8314 joules per kilogram mole kelvins. So that's why the gas constant of hydrogen is 8314 divided by 1 times 2. So gas constant of hydrogen gas is 8314 divided by 2 atoms, so 1 times 2, so 4157 over 4157 joules per kilogram Kelvin. So substitute into this formula. Density of hydrogen gas is 300,000 divided by 4157 times quantity temperature 70 degrees Celsius plus 273. So it is 0.2104 kilogram per cubic meter. So take note that the lightest gas is the hydrogen gas. Next problem, determine the specific volume of A. Nitrogen gas, B. Oxygen gas, and C. Carbon dioxide at 180 kilopascals absolute and 80 degrees Celsius. So specific volume is the reciprocal of density, and it is also G over G over specific weight of of gas. So because density is specific weight over G, so it is also specific G over specific weight. But I just substitute density equals pressure over RT. So specific volume is also RT over pressure. And we replace R by 8314 over molecular mass of the gas, 8314 over molecular mass of gas, then times T over P. So the formula 8314 T over PM or MP. Then the temperature is, in this case, 80 plus 273. So specific volume 80 plus 273 over pressure 180,000 pascals absolute over M. So we have this working equation for specific volume 16.305 over M. So for part A, we have nitrogen gas. This is the 14th element in the periodic table. It has two atoms again, so the molecular mass of nitrogen is 14 times 2 or 28 moles. So V sub S for nitrogen 16.305 divided by 14 times 2, the molecular mass for 28 moles. So it is equal to 0.5823 cubic meter per kilogram. Next, for oxygen gas, the molecular mass is 16 in the periodic table times there are two atoms again, 16 times 2. So 16.305 over 16 times 2. The specific volume of oxygen gas is 0.5098 kilogram cubic meter per kilogram. And finally, for carbon dioxide, carbon 12, then O2 16 times 2. So 12 plus 32 is 44 moles. So specific volume of carbon dioxide is 16.305 over 12 plus 16 times 2. So it is 12 for carbon, one atom, oxygen 16, there are two atoms, 6 carbon dioxide, so that's the molecular mass. So it is equal to 0.3706 cubic meter per kilogram. Then finally, for the last problem, determine the specific weight of argon at 4 bars absolute and 120 degrees Celsius. The molecular mass of argon is 39.948 gram per mole. So substitute specific weight, pressure G over RT. So pressure is 4 bars, so that's 400,000 pascals absolute. G 9.81 divided by R 39, 8314 over 39.948, then temperature 120 plus 273. So the specific weight of argon is equal to 47.98 newtons per cubic meter.